Now your next topic is factors which affect the agriculture. Normally, dear student, these factors are categorized into groups: physical factors and economic factors. Physical factor means natural factors which are working from the nature side, which determine our agricultural activities. In the case of physical factor, either in geographical factor, first one is the relief features. Relief feature means bhautik uchavach, how our surface is formed in different type of adorning by the different type of relief features: mountains, plateau, coastal area, plain regions. These are the different type of physical features over the earth's surface. Their mere presence of these physical features not enough for the production of crops. Might be mountain are suited for the production of tea, coffee, but not suitable for the production of wheat and paddy and mustard and etc. So, physical features having great impact. Mostly agriculture take place over the plain area because the plain regions have gentle slope. Beside, rivers which emerge from the mountain regions gently flow over the plain regions, which are naturally renovate the surface. During the flood, these plain area naturally become fertile. So there is need of very less amount of artificial fertilizers. Beside, dear student, over the plain area, we can easily use those tools, those machines which are working in agriculture field. These machineries cannot easily run over the rugged surface. Rugged surface means ubad khabad bhumi par, over the mountains where the slope is not gentle, very steep slope. Steep slope means tez dhal. So we can say plain is considered good for the cultivation. So in the case of relief feature, plain area chosen by the human beings for the cultivation. But I am not saying that plateau regions, either the mountains, not used for the agriculture. Terrace farming take place over the over the mountain region also. Terrace are developed. Terrace means seedhiya. Terrace are developed over the mountain regions, especially in the Assam, Darjeeling, Himachal Pradesh, where tea cultivation takes place, because the steep slope of the mountains allow easily to move waters downward. If we try to grow the tea over the plain regions, it is impossible. So different type of physical features having their own importance for the cultivation. So I think you have better understanding how relief features play a very good role for the agriculture. The relief features is one of the physical factors which affect the cultivation. Now another topic which affect the agriculture is climate. Climate is also one type of physical features. It is very sensitive for the cultivation. Variability of temperature determine the production of crops, different type of production of crops. Imagine what happened if all the latitudinal extent lies in the same type of temperature zone, It means either hot, either cold. Then we can grow only a single type of crop. But due to differences in the climatic condition all over the world, near the equator, temperature is so many high because sunlight directly overheaded near the equator. That is why those country of the world which lies near the equator, this country received high amount of sunlight as well as high amount of rainfall. And these countries lies in the tropical zone. Dear student, as we know, paddy cultivation need huge amount of water. For example, your local area of Nabinagar especially depend on the paddy cultivation. Most of the people earning point depend by the same crops. If these regions receive good amount of rainfall during the rainy seasons, then it's a felt happiness on the face of local body. They have received good crops which sell into the market, and against the crops money which received by the local people of Nabinagar, then they using same money for their different purpose. Why it's happened here? Because these regions not completely lies in the plain regions. It is the slightly associated with the plateau area, but due to the effect of weathering process turn into the plain regions. But there is no river which provide irrigational facilities. That is why agricultural work of these regions depend on the coming of monsoon. So we can say tropical climate region is good for the production of paddy. But where the temperature is moderate, cold, especially in North America, in Europe, these countries are good for the production of wheat. So we can say wheat is the crop of temperate area and paddy is the crop of tropical regions. Why here is differences for the production of these two crops? Due to variation in climatic factor. So we can say by this way, those crops which need more fertile land mostly grow in the river valley regions, like the near the delta region, jute are growing. Cotton are grow on the black soil because black soil is suitable for the growth of cotton. So by this way we can say these regions' temperature affect these crops. Next topic which given under the physical factor is soil. Soil is also one of the great physical factor which affect the production of crops. All the soil are not similar. Different type of minerals lies in the different type of soil. And on the basis of different type of mineral fertilizers, different type of soil used for the different type of crops. Mostly among all type of soil, alluvial soil and the black soil is considered good for the cultivation. Alluvial soil mostly formed by the action of rivers. It is categorized into two parts, Bangar and Khadar. Old alluvial soil and new alluvial soil. Khadar is known as new alluvial soil and Bangar is known as old alluvial soil. Black soil is formed by the process of volcano activities. when volcano activities take place, then magma which received by the same regions turn into lava, and by the action of several physical process, turn into black soil. Black soil is become harder when it's received high amount of sunlight, and when it's received rainfall, then completely dissolve in the water also. So by this way we can say soil also determined our agricultural practices. If any farmer have 10 bigha land which is used for the agricultural purpose, they also identify which soil is fit for which crops. That is why they grow only those crops which is suitable for growing in the same type of soil. So these are the few information regarding one factors which affect the agricultural process under the physical factors, physiography, either relief features, climate and soil.